Welcome to Car Hub, your ultimate stop for everything on wheels. If you're passionate about rugged power, timeless design, and serious off-road credentials, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases of the year, the 2025 Toyota Hardtop. This machine has been making waves among enthusiasts, blending Land Cruiser heritage with modern engineering in a way that feels both familiar and refreshing. The 2025 Toyota Hardtop wears its legacy proudly, with its classic boxy silhouette, round LED headlights, and prominent fender flares. It's an unmistakable nod to the iconic 70 series. But it's not just about nostalgia, it's about evolution. Every inch of the hardtop has been refined for today's adventurer. The swing-out rear door with a rear-mounted spare tire adds rugged charm, while a high-ground clearance and tough steel bumpers promise real-world trail performance. It's a vehicle that doesn't just look ready, it is ready. Under the hood, the 2025 hardtop is no slouch. Powered by a 4.0-liter V6 petrol engine pushing out 228 horsepower and 360 Newton-meters of torque, this beast is all about torque-rich performance. Whether you choose the manual or automatic 4x4 variants, both are equipped with front and rear differential locks, full-time four-wheel drive, and advanced off-road suspension. It's engineered for the unbeaten path, conquering harsh terrain with confidence while delivering a surprisingly comfortable ride on the tarmac. Step inside and Toyota's attention to detail becomes immediately apparent. The cabin welcomes you with premium leather seats, a sleek digital instrument cluster, and the latest Toyota infotainment system with seamless connectivity. Safety hasn't been left behind either. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, offering advanced driver assistance systems to make every journey more secure. In a world where adventure often meets technology, the 2025 Toyota Hardtop is proof that you can have both without compromise. Stick around for more reviews, test drives, and car insights right here on Car Hub. Subscribe if you love engines that roar, designs that inspire, and machines that make you want to hit the road. Until next time, keep driving your passion forward.